Has your angle grinder suddenly stopped working, even though it was running perfectly before? And you don't know what caused it? Don't worry, with just a few simple items found in every household, I'll show you how to bring it back to life and make it work like new again. Let's check out this tip. Inside most angle grinders, there are two small but extremely important components called carbon brushes. So the first thing I do is check them. At a quick glance, one of the brushes is heavily worn. I remove the other one for a closer inspection, and as expected, both are worn out. This is exactly why the grinder stopped working. But the good news is, this is a very easy fix. Instead of buying new ones, I'll make 2 replacement carbon brushes myself using simple materials available at home. First, I take a carbon rod from an old battery and clean it thoroughly before use. Then, I use a drill and a saw to cut the carbon rod into 2 equal pieces, with a size similar to the original brushes. Next, I shape them. Using 240 grit sandpaper, I sand the rod down from a round shape into a slightly square form so it fits perfectly into the brush holder. After that, I drill a small hole at one end to prepare for attaching the wire. Going back to the old brushes, I use pliers to remove the worn carbon cores and prepare for replacement. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble. I insert the copper wire into the drilled hole, then add a bit of carbon powder to improve conductivity. After packing it tightly, I apply a drop of super glue. The combination of carbon powder and glue creates a very strong and durable bond. The glue dries quickly, and just like that, we now have 2 brand new carbon brushes. Now I install them back into the angle grinder and test it. And as you can see, with just a few simple steps, the grinder is working perfectly again. What do you think about this repair trick? Leave a comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful DIY tips. Thanks for watching.